In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ask better questions in Grok AI, Prompting Guide 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Grok, sign in if you want your progress saved, find the chat bar, ask your first question, and refine your prompts to get detailed answers or clean summaries. First, head to grok.com in your browser. Type the address directly to avoid distractions and make sure you're on the official site. If you plan to use Grok often, consider bookmarking the page so you can return to it quickly whenever you need help. If you'd like your work to be saved, sign in to your Grok account. This part is optional, but logging in ensures your progress and conversations are stored, so you can pick up right where you left off. It only takes a moment, and then you're ready to start asking better questions. On the home page, you'll see the Grok AI interface. Think of it as your workspace. A simple, focused area designed for back and forth conversation. Take a second to notice the layout so you know where your messages and Grok's replies will appear. Front and center is the chat bar, where you'll type. Keep your cursor there, and remember, clear input leads to clear output. If your thought is complex, you can write in short sentences and keep each message focused. When you're ready, press enter to send. Now type your first question and start exploring answers. Begin with something specific, like a goal or a problem you want to solve. If the initial reply is too broad, ask a quick follow-up to narrow the scope, such as focus on beginners, keep it under 200 words, or show a simple example. If something isn't clear, say, explain that part more simply. This back and forth is where Grok shines, and small clarifications make a big difference. You can also level up your prompts to get more detailed responses or concise summaries. Tell Grok what you want and why you need it. For detail, try adding context, constraints, and an output format. Provide a practical, step-by-step explanation with one short example. For summaries, be precise about length and focus. Summarize the main ideas in 5 short takeaways, or condense this into a 120-word overview with plain language. When you're comparing options, ask for pros and cons and a brief recommendation based on your criteria. If you're learning something new, ask for definitions first, then request a clearer rewrite or a short analogy. And whenever you get an answer you like, ask Grok to refine it for tone, clarity, or structure, so it's ready to use. That's all you need to start asking better questions in Grok AI. Open the site, sign in if you want your progress saved, type your question, and guide the conversation toward detail or summaries. Happy prompting!